Alright, let's break down a big shakeup in international sports law. For decades, if you wanted to challenge a decision from FIFA or the International Olympic Committee, you were pretty much stuck with one option: the Court of Arbitration for Sport, or CAS, in Switzerland. That's been the rule. Athletes, clubs, everyone had to take their disputes there, and Swiss law was the final word. But now, the game has changed. The European Union's top court has ruled that, in some cases, national courts in EU countries can actually review and challenge decisions made by these global sports bodies. In plain English, you're not locked into the Swiss system anymore. Here's how it happened. Belgian football club RFC Serraing and an investment fund from Malta took on FIFA's rules about third-party ownership of player rights. They argued that FIFA was using these Swiss-based arbitration rules to dodge European law. After a decade of legal battles, the European Court of Justice agreed, at least partly. The court says if you're operating in the EU, you can't just force everyone to accept a verdict from Switzerland. Those decisions have to hold up under EU law too. Now, this doesn't mean every single sports decision gets retried in every EU country. The ruling is limited. It's about making sure that major decisions are consistent with the basic rules and values the EU stands for. CAS, for its part, says it'll keep doing its job worldwide, offering timely and expert dispute resolution. But make no mistake, this is a big deal. Why? Because it marks a shift in power. Until now, sports federations could almost guarantee their rulings would stick, thanks to the Swiss system. With this new ruling, athletes, clubs, and officials in Europe have more ways to challenge decisions they think are unfair. Lawyers say this could change the landscape for anyone facing forced arbitration by international sports bodies. And it comes on the heels of other EU rulings that have already put FIFA and UEFA's authority under the microscope, like the Super League case you might have heard about. So what does this mean for fans and players? It means more transparency, more accountability, and maybe, just maybe, fairer play when it comes to the rules that govern the world's biggest sports. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit subscribe for more updates on the stories shaping the world of sports. See you next time.